Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. Massage isn't just kneading, pressing, or gliding. Another way of doing massage is percussion. This week I will show you 3 ways of doing the percussion techniques in the order of low to high intensity. The first one is called cupping. You cup your hands and tap. Since you are using the entire hand, it's ideal for a bigger space. If you don't cup your hands, it's called slapping and it hurts. So you cup your hands to make it softer. You can do it both at the same time too. The second way is what I learned as Thai chop. It's part of the Thai massage and you use the side of your hands to hit the target area. There are 2 ways of doing this. One way is to put the hands together, cross your thumbs, and chop with the loose wrists and weight of your hands. The other way is to do open hands and alternate again with loose wrists. Some people tend to do this very rigid, but your arms get tired quickly and you won't last for a long time. So just relax, like shaking water off your hands. The third way is using the fist. You can use the pinky side or the finger side as long as it doesn't hurt your finger joints. Keep the fists and wrists loose and use the weight of your hands to tap the target area, both hands at the same time or alternate. These percussion techniques wake up the energy and get the circulation going. If you do this to your partner, it can be shocking at first, so make sure you start with the softer pressure with low height and gradually increasing the pressure by gradually increasing the height if necessary, meaning if your partner wants harder pressure. And avoid hitting the bones. You massage the muscles, not the bones. Of course, if you don't want to use your hands, you can use the percussion tools like this. This is my favorite Pure Wave percussion massager. I've done the review a long time ago, but I still use it. I know massage guns are popular, but since I have this, I haven't tried any of the massage guns. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell.